In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search the food database on MyFitnessPal using this quick guide. Whether you're trying to keep track of your daily intake or simply curious about the nutritional value of certain foods, MyFitnessPal's extensive database can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive in and get you started on how to efficiently use this feature in the app. First things first, you'll want to open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. Whether you're using a smartphone or a tablet, ensure you have the app installed beforehand. Once you've opened it, you'll arrive at the welcome screen. Here you'll see an option to log in. This is crucial as logging in will sync your data and give you access to all the features of MyFitnessPal. Next, you'll enter your login credentials. This will usually be your email address and password. If you haven't yet created an account, take a moment to do so by following the prompts on the app. For existing users, fill in your email and password carefully to avoid any login errors. Double check for any typos, especially if you're using autofill. Once you're ready, go ahead and click the login button. This will direct you to MyFitnessPal's homepage. Upon reaching the homepage, you'll notice various icons and features available for tracking your health journey. To access the food database, you'll want to look for the plus sign typically located at the bottom or middle of your screen. This plus sign functions as your entry point for logging different activities, including food intake. Now, after clicking the plus sign, a menu will pop up with multiple options. Here, you should select Log Food. This is where you'll be able to record what you eat throughout the day. It's a powerful tool that helps you better understand your eating habits by visualizing them through data. With that done, the next step is to search for the specific food item you're interested in. A search bar will appear, allowing you to type in the name of the food you want to know more about. As you type, MyFitnessPal will generate a list of potential matches from its extensive database. This is especially useful if you're looking for both generic foods and branded products, as the database includes them. Just select the correct entry, and you'll see all relevant nutritional information displayed, including calories, macronutrients, and even some micronutrients. Remember, consistency is key when using MyFitnessPal or any digital health tool. The more detailed and accurate your logs are, the more insights you can gain about your dietary patterns. So there you have it, an easy overview to get you started on searching the food database in MyFitnessPal. Thanks for watching, and happy logging.